Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix ad post to your story on Instagram. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply open Instagram, and then let me tell you that some people will try to add post on story of advertisement. Here you can see this is the post. So here you can see it's showing here add post to your story, and let me show you here. This is advertisement post, so you can see here this is advertisement post. So when I'm trying to do something about that, so you can see here it's not showing here add post to your story. So some people will try to add post on story of advertisement, but it's not showing in advertisement app. So they think that this option is not showing, but this option is showing in my phone, and this option is not showing in your phone without advertisement app. Then what you have to do is just simply close this page, and then let me tell you that you have to check that you have an updated version of Instagram app. So firstly you have to check that you have an updated version of Instagram. So you can see here I have already updated version and it's showing in my phone. If it's not showing in your phone, then you have to check that you have an updated version of Instagram. And then what you have to do is just simply open settings, and you have to go to apps, and let me tell you that here are the all installed app in your phone. So you have to search for Instagram, and let me tell you that you have to grant all the permission of Instagram. So you have to allow all the permissions, and let me tell you that you have to clear cache and clear storage. And after doing this, what you have to do is just simply tap on force stop, and then you have to open the app, and after clear cache or clear storage, your account will be logged out, and you have to log in your account and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply uninstall the app and restart your phone, and then reinstall the Instagram app. After doing all these things, I will guarantee you your problem 100% will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.